Now, Tammy's inkjet is not printing one of the colors. What should she first try? Alright, let's look at these. Soaking the cartridge in naphtha overnight? No. I don't even know what that is, but soaking a cartridge is a no. We're not doing that. Do not soak cartridges. That one is out. Easily, no problem. And then we have replacing the clogged cartridge. While that is something you can do, it's not necessarily the first thing you should try, completely replacing the clogged cartridge. There's installing a new maintenance kit. Maintenance kit are actually for laser printers. That's what a maintenance kit is used for. They're not used in inkjet printers. So there's no such thing as maintenance kit for inkjet printers. And then we have running the maintenance program to clear the clogged jet. This one's actually the first thing that you should do. It's simple, it's in the printer settings, that's what you're going to want to do. It's less expensive because it's basically free. You just run the maintenance program, it clears the clogged jet, and if that doesn't work, then you could move on to the next steps that could possibly lead to replacing the clogged cartridge. But for Tammy's inkjet printer, it's just not printing one of the colors. The first thing that you should try is running the maintenance program to clear the clogged jet.